Hey, it's Mark with Vertigraph. I want to show you a quick way on how you can save this to your desktop so you don't have to always open up our website whenever you want to access your bids. So what you'll do is make sure you're on Google Chrome and you'll come up to our website and log in, app.vertigraph.com, and go ahead and log in. Then you'll see in the top here, there's this little button called Install Vertigraph. Go ahead and click that and install. Now it'll open up as its own separate window. And you'll also notice down here that there is a little shortcut panel. So you can right click this and you can pin this so it's always inside of the dock if you're a Mac user, or you can pin it as a shortcut if you're a Windows user. And then that way you can just search for Vertigraph or just come down here and click it and it'll open this window. As an example, I'm going to go close that and type in Vertigraph. And we're back in. And that is how you can pin it so you don't always have to search for it.